Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I've got All Heart's newest limited edition nail lacquer for the month of August. This month they partnered with Famous Fido in order to create this gorgeous shade called Rescue Me. Famous Fido helps rescue and rehabilitate animals that many other shelters won't take because they aren't considered adoptable, and $1 from every bottle of Rescue Me sold will be donated to Famous Fido. Rescue Me is a navy blue polish with a ton of gorgeous green flecks. Here is the first coat of Rescue Me, and it applied really nicely on that first coat. The navy base isn't completely opaque on the first coat though, so I will be applying a second. Here is the second coat of Rescue Me, and I reached full opacity. The navy base definitely deepens and becomes completely opaque on the second coat. So here is 2 coats of Rescue Me with no top coat. And onto some nail art. I'm going to be using Rescue Me to create this Quatrefoil design that was created by Cristabell Nails. First, I'm going to apply some Edge Perfection to the sides of my nails for easy cleanup. Next, with a large dotting tool and gold polish, I'm going to make a row of dots going down the center of my nail. Then I'm going to make a clover pattern by adding 2 more dots on the sides of every 2 dots. And I'm going to repeat this pattern on either side of my nail. Then with a small detail brush dipped in that same gold polish, I'm going to apply some diagonal lines coming out from in between the circles. Once that's done, I'm going to take my dotting tool dipped in Rescue Me, and I'm going to make 4 small dots over the gold polish. Then I'm going to remove the Edge Perfection with a pair of tweezers and apply a fast drying top coat. And I'm done! Here's the finished design. Overall, I love this polish. It's so unique and I don't have anything like this in my collection. The green flecks definitely add a whole nother dimension to this polish, and it looks so stunning in real life, especially under natural lighting. If you want to support All Heart and Famous Fido, I will leave a link down in the description box below to where you can purchase your own bottle of Rescue Me. Anyways, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe down below if you haven't already, and if you missed my last video, you can watch that by clicking your screen or the link in the description box below. Anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you next time. Bye!